Alright, this is the last thing that I'm going to go through today. ClarisWorks Tour. Now this was like the word processing program of its time. To use the tour in ClarisWorks, you should be familiar with your mouse, selecting, pointing, clicking, and dragging, Performa basics, using files and folders, disks, and the Finder, making selections from pop-up and pull-down menus, your printer, connecting it to the computer and using the chooser to select it. If you're new to the Performa or need a refresher, you may want to work through the on-screen tutorial, Performa Basics, which comes with every Performa. Your Performa Owner's Guide will tell you how to start the tutorial. People who have never used a computer before, they wouldn't even know where to start or how to turn it on or anything, and so they have to use a tutorial to open a tutorial. Use your guide. Welcome to ClarisWorks. This integrated software package provides everything you need to be productive. A natural computing environment, the right tools for the job. This ClarisWorks tour introduces the basic skills you need to begin using the software. All on one page. With ClarisWorks, you can combine different types of computing on a single page. For example, you can create a graphic directly in a memo, turn spreadsheet numbers into a colorful chart, write in a letter or a report. There's no need to switch from one application to another. You simply switch tools. Lesson 1, Concepts, introduces basic elements that make up ClarisWorks documents. Lesson 2, Getting Started, introduces basic skills such as starting ClarisWorks and creating documents. Lesson 3, Working in ClarisWorks, introduces the most used ClarisWorks environments and shows how they're used. You'll get the most out of ClarisWorks if you complete all the lessons in the tour. How to navigate. The main menu. Click anywhere when ready. Please choose from an above menu. Alright, I'm gonna just flip through this. This is like something you would learn in a college class if you were just learning, like starting to learn how to do, or like taking a class at the library or something. It even blinks to tell you where to click next. I thought this was going to be a lot more specific. Well, I guess it kind of is. Oh gosh. Creating, opening, saving, and closing a document. You can quit at any time. Just a moment, please. So I learned how to do word processing and PowerPoint presentations, but it wasn't called PowerPoint. And I would make little movies out of the presentations. This is what it looks like. Oh, they even have a nice little video. They had some really cool styles that you could do. Now you have to download specific fonts. I also loved how they have so many different types of color choices, and you could do different fills and gradients. spreadsheets and pretended that all of my personal books were part of a library. Yeah, I was quite a nerd. I did not use a database that I can remember. Mainly because I have friends. It's not like I was keeping a lot of the people. That was more likely something my parents had. We all created flyers and fun graphics using this program, like party invitations and stuff like it suggested. But someone could easily just check it out themselves instead of watching a how-to video where they just scroll through it. Pattern fill palettes. Pretty sweet, and the gradient fill is really nice. And I like how precise it was with how big the pen was, like by point size. Alright, you have just seen a general overview of some of the key features of ClarisWorks. You can always get help online or refer to your manuals. Just a moment, please. So that was a quick explanation / introduction to ClarisWorks. They have some common questions, and they're just like, please consult your manual. We're not telling you right now. Copyright 1993, produced and designed by Videomation, Inc., Santa Clara. Thanks for watching my extremely dry video.